Hi, it's Marta, Martin Spanish, and in this video we're going to learn all about verb pasar. Pasar can have so many meanings, okay? We're going to study some of them today and along with some expressions. So let's start. Pasar can mean to happen. ¿Qué ha pasado? What has happened, okay? It can also mean to come in. If I say, pasa, no te quedes ahí. Come in, don't stay there. Another meaning is pasar, pass, okay? So, pásame la sal, pass me the salt. To forget, se me ha pasado, okay? I forgot. For example, ¿has llamado al dentista? Have you called or made an appointment for the dentist? Ay, se me ha pasado. For time, el tiempo se ha pasado volando. Time has flown by. Pasarlo bien, pasarlo mal means to have a good time or a bad time. Me lo he pasado genial. I have had a great time. Pasa de él, pasa de ella. It means ignore him, ignore her. Pasar por alguien, when you impersonate yourself as other. For example, se hizo pasar por su padre, okay? He acted as he was his father. For students here, pasar a limpio, okay? To make a neat copy. Pasar de moda, to go out of style. Pasar lista, to take attendance. Pasar volando, to fly by. Okay, you have so many uses and meanings of the verb pasar. Can you write down some examples?